Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over the Keyword Cloud module in Merch Informer. The Keyword Cloud module lets you pick any day, now, today, or in history, and it's going to return to you the top selling shirts and the keywords associated with them. This is going to help you identify niches that are selling well and keywords to help put in your listings that are going to help them rank well at different times of the year. So let's jump into it. All right, so when you're in Merch Informer, you're going to come down here and click on this little cloud icon. And let's say we wanted to go back again here in 2018 and see what sort of keywords were selling well in November. So we click and pick the date and hit search. All right, so it returns single word results, 2-word results, and 3-word results. So think about these as single word keywords, combination keywords that are going to help you rank well. So it's going to say how many at each level we're doing well. So we went back to November 30th of 2018, and we can see that funny, gift, Christmas, vintage, birthday, cute, love, men's gifts, flag, women, lover, dog, kids, cat, Santa, family, retro are all very good single keywords that you can include. Now, the 2 words, look at that. Long sleeves were selling the best in there. Most people probably didn't notice that. Funny Christmas, matching family, American flag. So you can get some good 2 keyword combinations that you can put in your listings. Make sure that they're relevant to the listing that you are writing, because if it's not relevant, it's only going to hurt your listing. Now you can come in here and you can see that, elf matching family. This is my 4 men and women, girl who loves, just a girl, man the myth, legend, like a girl, matching family, Christmas, favorite people call, pause my game, you can be, always be yourself. So these are some really good keywords that you can target and potentially rank for. You can just pick any day throughout the history and see what keywords were the top keywords for those days. All right, guys. That's the Keyword Cloud module for Merch Informer. And once again, if you haven't yet subscribed, go to ryanaraymond.com/miyearly or click the link in the description, and you're going to be able to save 87% on your Merch Informer subscription. The Merch Informer Pro subscription runs $59.99 a month. That comes to $718.99 in a year. You're going to be able to get that entire subscription for less than the price of the basic subscription at $10 a month, which runs $120 for the year. So $100 is a steal. Thank you, Merch Informer, for setting this up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.